Students, how are you? Today we start the fourth lecture of science of class 3. In the lecture 3 we start the chapter number 3, housing and clothing. In lecture 3 we read about the housing, and today our topic is clothing. All of you know that why we need clothes. We wear clothes to protect our body. Clothes protect our body from the sun, wind, rain, cold and dust. There are different types of the clothes in the olden days and nowadays. In the olden days, long ago, people don't have any proper clothing. They wear clothes made of animal skin or leaves because they are not familiar with the fibers which are found around. But nowadays, we wear clothes made of cotton, silk, wool, nylon, plastic and many other type of the fibers from which we make our clothes. Yes students, we learned in the previous paragraph that clothes are nowadays we wear clothes made of different types of the fibers. How the clothes are making, process of the cloth making. First of all, we get the fibers, which type of the clothes we want to make, we get that type of fibers. Then these fibers are spun with the help of spinning machines. You can see here, these are the spinning wheel and that is the spinning machine. With the help of these machines, the fibers are spun to change them into threads. Threads are made by the spinning of the fibers. Then after, when we get the threads are woven to make the clothes. Threads are woven with the help of power looms, head looms, which are called the weaving machines. With the help of these machines, the threads are changed into cloth by weaving. Yes students, you know that clothes are made from the different types of the fibers. From where we get these fibers? Fibers are of different types. We divide the fibers into two groups. Some fibers are natural, some fibers are synthetic. You know that natural are that things which are made by the Allah, and synthetic mean which are made by the man. Natural fibers are again divided into two groups. Some natural fibers we get from the animals and some we get from the plants. The fibers which we get from the animals are silk and wool. You can see here it is a silkworm. We get the silk fibers from this silkworm and make different types of the clothes. The wool is get from the sheep. You can see here, and we use the wool to make the different types of the clothes. The next, plants. Which type of the fibers we get from the plants? Here is the jute plant and the cotton. We get the fibers from these plants and use these fibers to make different thread, and then we make the different types of the clothes and other things from these fibers. The second group of the fibers are the synthetic fibers. Synthetic fibers are those which are made by the men in the factories. For example, polyester, terylene, rayon, nylon and many other types of the fibers are which are made in the factories with the help of men, and use these fibers to make the different types of the clothes. Now you know that the fibers are of different types, natural fibers and the synthetic fibers. Now students, when you open the page number 20, here is an activity. Now you know, for you have to solve this activity. What is in this activity? Put the following fibers in their correct groups. Here are different names of the fibers. You have to divide these fibers into two groups: natural fibers and synthetic fibers. You have to find out the natural fibers and write down the number 1 heading, and the fibers which are synthetic you have to write down in the second line. The fibers are wool, jute, rayon, cotton, terylene, polyester and silk. You have to find out and divide these fibers into two groups. You know that How clothes protect our body from how many things? Clothes protect our body from the sun, wind, rain, cold, insects, bites. So it is our duty to take care of our clothes. Here are different tips for you how to take care of your clothes. You have to use a good soap or detergent for washing your clothes, and you should rinse the cloth properly to remove the soap. Synthetic clothes should not be squeezed after rinsing. Woolen clothes should be kept out in the sun after the winter is over. Then they can be packed along with neem leaves or mothballs to make them secure. On the page number 21, importance of the clean clothes. Why we need to wear the neat clothes? We should always wear neat and clean clothes because dirty clothes make us look shabby. They also smell. Besides, dirty clothes can cause skin diseases. So we should not lend or borrow clothes. Infections of the one person can be passed on to another person by sharing clothes. These are the different tips how we can make our clothes clean. On the page number 21, exercises has started. Exercise part A, fill in the blanks with the correct option. Number 1 is, our dash keeps us safe from thieves. Options are house or clothes. House is the right option. Number 2, our house has to be dashed to give us protection. Colorful or strong? Strong is the right option. Number 3, first fibers are dashed into threads. Options are woven or spun. Spun is the right option. Number 4, our house should have fresh gas supply. Options are water or electric. Water is the correct option. Number 5, cotton is the dash fiber. Options are natural or synthetic. Natural is the correct answer. Our chapter number 3 has completed. You have to read the chapter number 3, book page 19 to 20, and you have to learn the activities and exercises. Take care of yourself. Allah Hafiz.